Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick PHP tutorial on the function string replace. First, I'm just going to go over the syntax real quick. The first parameter is the string that you want to find. The second parameter is the string you want what you found replaced with. And then the third parameter is the string that you're searching through. There is a fourth parameter called count. What this will do is this instantiates a variable that will tell you how many times what you are looking for, your find, was found in the string. And I will demonstrate that in a bit. Okay, so first let's create a string. And we're going to say hello world. I'm going to do a new string. We're going to do a person. I'm going to put Jimmy. And what we want to do is create a new string with string replace, str underscore replace. What we want to do is we want to find world. We're going to replace it with person. And we're looking inside of string. And let's go ahead and do the count. Now let's echo out our new string. So if I hit run, you can see world was replaced with Jimmy, and it says hello Jimmy. And of course, if you want to make world a variable, you can do that. And it works just the same. Okay, so that's very basic use of string replace. The reason why I'm interested in string replace is I would actually like to show how you can use string replace to find strings in a body of HTML so that you can replace things. So for example, let's say you have a site and a header with a login, and you log in and you want somebody's name to show up at the top so they know they've logged in. So you might have some HTML. Let's make a little div. And of course, probably you're going to have some more markup in there, but this is going to demonstrate. I might do something like double curly brackets or a mustache, and I will say maybe username. And let's say the username is Jimmy. Oh, I forgot something. Let's go back to our HTML. We want it to say hello. We want it to be friendly. Let's say welcome. And the username is going to be Jimmy. All right, now we're going to use string replace. So we're going to look for the mustache with username inside. We want to replace it with username. And of course, we're searching inside of HTML. And let's do the count, since I forgot to demonstrate that earlier. And let's echo out our new HTML. And let's break a line, and let's echo out our count. Okay, so if I hit run, we have a parse error, line 12. That's because I didn't put quotes around my break. Okay, so as you can see, what gets printed out is welcome Jimmy. So where it used to be welcome and then double curlies with username inside, we can now enter the user's name and echo that out instead. This is very useful when you have templates or HTML templates or email templates, and you have objects with user data. You can go through and string replace all of these placeholders in your markup and then echo that out. All right, I hope that was useful. I hope you enjoyed my face being upside down. Also, if you want a PHP compiler to practice on that doesn't have a bunch of ads and mess, you can go to phpcompiler.jimmyscripts.com. You can even make it full screen if you like. I had to make this myself because I couldn't find any that didn't have ads or a bunch of mess and distractions. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.